I stopped passion projects in my life for years, and it really hurt. I told myself I was being responsible by focusing on only what worked, what paid the bills, and that creative projects were luxuries, things that I just couldn't afford to do right now. That someday when I had the money, the time, the energy, I'd finally write that book, or I'd start that podcast, or I'd learn how to paint. I'd get back into dancing. But here's what actually happens when INFPs deny themselves the creative passion projects. We slowly die inside. I swear, it's like watching a plant wilt when it doesn't get enough water. If you're an INFP and you want to feel alive again, you want to find that spark, you need to stop screwing around with excuses. It's painful, I know, but choose 30 minutes of passion project time over mindless scrolling. Choose to create over consume. Choose scheduling your creativity over waiting for inspiration. Choose starting small projects over perfect conditions. In the short term, people will probably think you're crazy. You're going to get up at 5 a.m., 5:30 a.m. to work on some novel that no one's paying you to write. You're spending money on art supplies again when you could be saving for a house. But in the long term, you will be wildly fulfilled in a way that most people never experience. And this is because passion projects aren't just about the end product. They're about honoring that essential creative part of yourself that makes life worth living. And funny enough, when you actually do start to honor that part of yourself, everything else tends to fall into place.